Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster border city. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2014 Ford F-150 Lariat with a 502A package. The exterior color is Pale Adobe Metallic, and under the hood we have a 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine paired to a 6-speed automatic select shift transmission. At the front we have HID headlamps as well as daytime running lights. We also have a pair of fog lamps, an engine block heater connection, and 2 tow hooks. Over at the side, we have 20-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in Cooper tires. We also have a pair of running boards, as well as chrome mirror caps and door handles. At the rear, we have privacy tinted windows, and up top we have a beautiful moonroof. This F-150 also comes with remote start. At the rear, we have a trailer tow package, and underneath we have our spare fifth wheel, as well as reverse sensors paired to a backup camera. We have a tailgate step, as well as a tonneau cover, and at the rear window we have an embedded defroster with a power slide window. At the interior, we have loads of driver-friendly features, including tons of door storage, as well as power locks, power windows, and power adjustable mirrors. Over at the steering column, we have our automatic headlamp dial, and we have a tilt steering wheel with our information trackpad and cruise control settings located to the left. Over at the right, we have our entertainment and media controls, as well as our hands-free controls. Up above, we have our auto-dimming rearview mirror with the cabin lights that provide ambient lighting. We also have 3 garage door opener controls and our beautiful moonroof. And as we look down at our interior, we have our beautiful leather seating that comes with fully adjustable seat with lumbar support, as well as memory seating for the driver. And as we look ahead, you'll see we have 135,603 kilometers on this beautiful Ford F-150. And as we look ahead, you'll see we have our Sync LCD touchscreen display, which allows for audio control, climate control, phone connectivity, navigation, as well as other apps. Our driver can also view the display of the rear view camera. Down below, we have our sync controls, as well as we have our dual climate control area, which includes air conditioning and heating for the entire cabin. Driver and passenger can also enjoy air-conditioned and heated seats. We have a console gear shift with select shift option for the driver, dual cup holders, and a center console that provides tons of storage with 2 more cup holders at the rear. At the rear, passengers can also enjoy door storage, as well as power windows, and even more storage in the rear of our driver and passenger seating. At the rear of our center console, we have a 12-volt adapter and an AC outlet. And our 60/40 bench seat leaves tons of headspace and loads of legroom for 3 passengers to enjoy. If there are any more questions about this beautiful F-150, please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. I'd also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.